Do you know you already have a personal AI assistant living in your Windows 11 taskbar, but you are probably not using its best feature yet? It is called Copilot Vision. It is free, powerful, and today I'm showing you how to master it. First, click on Copilot icon on your taskbar. Now, click on this vision option. Select whether you want to share a specific app, window, or your entire screen. Once you share your screen, you can ask anything. Let me show you how.
Hello, your.
Can you tell me what this page is about?
Absolutely. So you're looking at your YouTube Studio dashboard here. Basically, is the control center for your channel. You can see your latest video performance, your channel analytics, subscriber count, and all that kind of good stuff. It's a one-stop shop to manage your channel. Anything else you want to dive into here?
Where do I click to view the customization?
So to find the customization section, just look over on the left-hand sidebar of your YouTube Studio dashboard. You'll see a little tab that says customization. It's right there in the menu. Go ahead and give that a click. And that'll take you straight to the customization options. Anything else you want to look at?
Can you please highlight the customization for me?
Absolutely. I've just highlighted the
Thank you.
customization.
That's all. Now, let's check it out in Windows 11 settings.
Hey there, your.
Hey Copilot, I want to change my mouse pointer color. Can you help me with that?
Absolutely. Let's get you set up. You're going to want to head over to the accessibility section in your settings. You can find it on the left sidebar. Once you click on that, I'll guide you through the rest.
Okay, now
Awesome. I can see you've made it to the accessibility section. Great job. Now, go ahead and click on mouse pointer and touch. That's where you'll find the options to change your pointer color. Let me know if you need any more help after that.
okay, I'm in mouse pointer and touch setting.
Perfect. You're right where you need to be. Now you should see a section called mouse pointer style and some colored boxes underneath. Just click on one of those colors to pick a new pointer color. And if you want something custom, there's an option to choose another color as well. Go ahead and pick what you like.
Thank you, Copilot. That's all.
You're very welcome. I'm glad we could get that sorted out for you. If you have any more questions or need help with anything else, just let me know.
Thanks for watching.